Hi students, we completed external and internal structure of human heart and working of heart or cardiac cycle. Today we discuss about the double circulation. What is double circulation? The passage of blood, passage of blood twice in the heart, twice in the heart through separate pathways, separate pathways for completing one cycle is called double circulation. So double circulation means the passage of blood twice in the heart through separate pathways for completing one cycle is called double circulation. So in the double circulation, blood flows through the heart in two times, twice. So twice means two. So the passage of blood twice in the heart through separate pathways for completing one cycle is called double circulation. The double circulation consists of two circulations. Double circulation consists of two circulations. Number one, pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. So double circulation consists of pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. First we discuss about the pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation. What is pulmonary circulation? The flow of blood, the flow of blood, the flow of deoxygenated blood, the flow of deoxygenated blood from right ventricle, from right ventricle to the lungs, and return oxygenated blood to left atrium is called pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation. So the flow of blood from right ventricle to lungs and return oxygenated blood from lungs to left atrium is called pulmonary circulation. In the pulmonary circulation, the right ventricle pumps its deoxygenated blood into pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. Now, the pulmonary artery carries this deoxygenated blood and send it to lungs for oxygenation or purification. Now the deoxygenated blood convert into oxygenated blood. Now this oxygenated blood reach to or flows to left atrium through pulmonary veins. This circulation is called pulmonary circulation. So the pulmonary circulation occurs between heart and lungs. Between heart and lungs. So this is pulmonary circulation. Next to systemic circulation. What is systemic circulation? The flow of blood, the flow of oxygenated blood from left ventricle to body organs and return the deoxygenated blood to right atrium is called systemic circulation. Systemic circulation. In the systemic circulation, left ventricle pumps its oxygenated blood into systemic arch. Now the systemic arch carries and send this oxygenated blood to body organs. Now body organs receives oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So the oxygenated blood in the body organs converts into deoxygenated blood. This deoxygenated blood flows into right atrium through vena cava. Precaval veins and postcaval veins are vena cava. So vena cava carries this deoxygenated blood from body organs to right atrium. This circulation is called systemic circulation. So systemic circulation occurs between heart and body organs. Here the systemic circulation provides nutrients, oxygen and other essential substances to body organs and collects CO2 and other harmful substances for their elimination. So the systemic circulation, the left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood into systemic arch. Systemic arch carries this blood to body organs. Oxygenated means presence of oxygen. This blood also contains nutrients. So systemic circulation supplies nutrients, oxygen and other essential substances to body organs and collects CO2 and other harmful substances from the body organs for their elimination. So systemic circulation provides nutrients, oxygen and other essential substances and collects CO2 and harmful nitrogenous waste for their elimination. Here the double circulatory systems are therefore high pressure systems. In the double circulation, the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated bloods does not mix. Does not mix. Here, the right atrium and right ventricle fill with deoxygenated blood. This oxygenated blood enter into pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. This blood reach to lungs for oxygenation or purification. Now, the deoxygenated blood converts into oxygenated blood. This oxygenated blood flows into left atrium and left ventricle. Now, the left ventricle pumps this oxygenated blood into systemic arch. This systemic arch carries this oxygenated blood to body organs. In the body organs, O2 received and CO2 and nitrogenous waste are released in the blood. Now the oxygenated blood converts into deoxygenated. This deoxygenated blood flows into right atrium and right ventricle through vena cava. So in these two circulations, oxygenated and deoxygenated bloods does not mixing. The oxygenated blood carries more oxygen to body organs. So this the human beings exhibits double circulation, but fishes exhibits single circulation. Fishes exhibits single circulation. In the fishes, blood travel through the heart only once. This type of circulation is called single circulation. But in the human heart, blood travel twice through the heart. Pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. So the human heart exhibits double circulation. So this is double circulation. So double circulation includes pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation.